In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor in WordPress on a local host environment. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll have the powerful Elementor page builder up and running. Whether you're setting up a WordPress site for development and testing or simply experimenting with WordPress designs, having Elementor on your local host can be incredibly helpful. First, ensure that you've already installed WordPress on your local server. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to set that up using a tool like XAMPP or MAMP. These tools make it easy to run a local server on your computer. Once you have your local WordPress environment ready and running, we can dive into installing Elementor. Now, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress dashboard by typing in localhost your website wp-admin. Replace your website with the name of the folder where WordPress is set up on your computer. Enter your login credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the sidebar on the left. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. You'll find yourself on the Plugins page, where you can search for new plugins to add to your WordPress site. In the search bar, type Elementor Page Builder. After a brief moment, you'll see Elementor appear in the list of plugins below. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the correct plugin, so look for the one developed by Elementor.com. It should have a high rating and millions of active installations, which indicates it's the right one. Click the Install Now button next to the Elementor plugin. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you. Once it's installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to turn on Elementor for your site. Great! Elementor is now installed and activated on your local WordPress site. To start using Elementor, head back to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then Add New. Give your new page a title and click Edit with Elementor. This button will take you to the Elementor Page Builder interface, where you can start creating stunning layouts for your website. As you begin, remember that Elementor provides a drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly intuitive to use. You can add various elements, like text, images, and buttons, to create captivating pages. Don't hesitate to explore the different features and widgets at your disposal. Experimentation is the key to discovering what works best for your design objectives. In summary, installing Elementor on your WordPress localhost is a simple process that unlocks a myriad of design possibilities for your website. If you've followed along, you've successfully set the stage for building beautiful, complex pages with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!